The Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card might be the best travel reward credit card that you've been waiting for. In this video, we're going to dive into the benefits of this credit card and why you might want to consider getting it. Of course, before we do, don't forget to smash that thumbs up. It does help with the YouTube algorithm and it lets me know you guys enjoy and appreciate this type of content. And while you're down below, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. That way you can stay up to date on all of our latest and upcoming video content. So right off the rip, I love this credit card because of their bonus points that you can get simply by signing up and spending using their credit card. As you can see, it says earn 60,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. That's $750 towards travel when redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards. But that's just the beginning. You can earn in way more ways than just the sign-up bonus. For example, you can earn up to $50 in statement credits each account anniversary year for hotel stays purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Earn 5x total points on travel purchase through Chase Ultimate Rewards, excluding hotel purchases that qualify for the $50 annual Ultimate Rewards hotel credit. Earn 2x on other travel purchases. Earn 3x points on dining, including eligible delivery services, takeout, and dining out. Earn 3x points on online grocery purchases, excluding Target, Walmart, and wholesale clubs. And earn 3x points on select streaming services. Plus, you can earn 1 point per dollar spent on all other purchases. So you are always going to be getting at least 1 point whenever you spend $1 with the Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card. So as I mentioned, one of the biggest perks here is the additional value that you can get with their Ultimate Rewards. You get 25% more value when redeemed for travel. For example, 60,000 points are worth $750 towards travel when redeemed through the Chase Ultimate Rewards. I mentioned that at the beginning, but again, it's that little caveat component that, yeah, you can just get the points, do whatever. But if you use them in the Chase Ultimate Rewards program, you're going to get even more money, bigger bang for your bucks. So something to keep in mind. Also, each account anniversary, you'll earn bonus points equal to 10% of your total purchases made the previous year. So that means if you spend $25,000 on purchases, you'll get 2,500 bonus points. They also have the My Chase plan. So eligible card members can break up card purchases of $100 or more into fixed monthly payments with the My Chase plan. There's no interest, and it's just the fixed monthly fee. Not too shabby, not too shabby. So, of course, they have the other quality perks, benefits that come with being with a top tier company like Chase. The one-to-one point transfer, travel and purchase coverage, 24/7 access, partner benefits, no foreign transaction fees, spend instantly. I mean, come on, what more can you ask for? My friends, I got a link to the Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card down below if you want to get started with this credit card. And as I always advise and suggest, consider checking out my other channel, Make, Manage, Grow Money, which touches on ways to make more money, but also helping you with managing your money. We don't want to dive into just 1,000 credit cards and just start spending all this money that we don't have. So you do want to make sure you have your money management skills down before you continue to, grab all these different enticing credit cards that you see in left and right that are all so beautiful and so pretty, because who wouldn't want this 60,000 bonus points just by signing up and using the card for things that you were going to use it for anyway, right? So, hey, I have a link down below to my other channel, Make, Manage, Grow Money, if you want to check that out, and a link or two to other credit cards that you might be interested in as well. So my friends, I'm going to wrap it up there. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card might be the one you've been looking for, and I hope this video helped to answer any questions that you might have had about it. But my friends, I got to keep it moving. Much appreciation for watching. But hold on. Before you go, consider checking out this video next.